Hello YouTube. Today we'll be shopping at Harbor Freight Tools for uh, toolboxes, and I will be looking at the prices, the quality. Um, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's look at the toolboxes here. We got the U.S. General 72-inch toolbox, pretty decent. That's the bigger of the family. And here's the smaller one, the 56-inch toolbox. It's not bad. I mean, for $7.49, it's not too bad. Especially if you get a coupon or you wait for the discounts, the sales going on, you can get yourself one of these for a good, decent price. And all these drawers are smooth, high quality material. As you can see there, they compare it to the Snap-on, or that's a Pittsburgh Pro. Usually the ones with the gray handle are the Pittsburgh Pro, and the chrome ones are the regular. Well, not the Pittsburgh Pro. They're the U.S. General Pro. That's what their name is. It's a nice little top box right there. 26-inch tool chest, and that's the bottom piece. $3.99. It's not too bad. Oh, there's a paper towel holder for $9.99. It's a good accessory for you guys that have the red one. That's the side tray for the 44-inch toolbox for $2.99. Gives you guys a little bit more space. If you got the 44-inch toolbox, you can upgrade it to make it a little bigger. Get yourself more space. You got a couple drawers on the bottom, and you got some more space here on the top. You can lock it too. It's lockable. Nice. The U.S. General 5-outlet power strips. Wish they made these on blue and black. That's the spray can holder for $9.99. Yeah, very smooth. That's the top chest for the 44-inch toolbox for $39.99. So, all these accessories are nice. You know, if you guys got the red toolbox, this is perfect for you guys. This is a spray can holder, screwdriver. That's the other side box for $149.99. It's not too bad. Glove and tissue dispenser. Yeah. Oh, and that's the glove tissue dispenser. It's not too bad. Sounds special. And that's the side tray for the 5-drawer tool cart. They only come in red though. That's the downside. Otherwise, I would be buying one. I'm always tempted to buy one and paint it blue, but I'm afraid it's not gonna match my my toolbox or tool cart. Guess I'll just wait until they come out with one. So, but yeah, these are real nice tool carts. Anything that is U.S. General, it's gonna be real decent quality. Real good quality for the price. The metal is a little it might be a little thin than your name brand, but it's not that thin. I mean, it's real heavy duty. Casters are nice. All the oh, that's a nice box. $22.99 for the side tray for the smaller tool cart side tray. There's a 4-drawer tool cart for $149. It's not bad. Yeah, all these are pretty decent, guys. If you guys don't want to spend so much money, you guys could take a look at Harbor Freight, see what you need, colors. But yeah, they're gonna be a lot lower than your other brands, Craftsman and all those brands. As you can see, the prices are not too bad. And wait for the coupons. Usually they'll have coupons for different boxes, especially the 5-drawer toolbox and the 4-drawer toolbox or tool carts. They have specials for those too, and the Yukon. Well, mostly all the boxes except for the ones that are not that common. So they'll have. All you gotta do is just wait for that. Here's a Yukon. There's a socket tray organizer. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these. I like the other one that Harbor Freight has. The ones that you stand up has the number beside the socket. There's a Yukon. There's a nice wood top there. Yeah, Yukon's real nice. Double side rails right there for heavy duty. That's always nice. Something's well built to last. Yeah, for $269.99, it's not bad either. I mean, they always have coupons for these too, so save yourself, $30, $40 there. Those are the drawers on the bottom. The workbench. Alright, let's take a look at the drawers on the bottom. Nice, a lot of room there to put all kinds of stuff in there. Tools and other stuff. Nice glossy black. Yeah, their toolbox, their cart lineup is pretty nice. I gotta say they're pretty decent. So, this is the wrench it to me. This is actually new to me. That I've seen these. I haven't seen these before. I don't know how efficient they are with the size and but from the picture, what it looks right there, it looks pretty decent. So for $12.99. That's a good deal. Alright guys, well this was my quick tour of the toolboxes shopping at Harbor Freight Tools. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the little bell icon. We'll see you guys in the next one.